right, here's a little bit of a warning for you. This video is going to be a bit challenging for me and maybe even for you. Because here's what we're dealing with. Some things are really interesting, like binge watching Netflix, but not that important. Then you have things that are not interesting and not important at all, like, I don't know, celebrity tweets. But our topic, sadly, not that interesting, but really important. So I'm going to make this short and sweet and give you just what you need to know and nothing more. You'll know more about insurance than 95% of the population in probably about 5 minutes. First thing to understand, there are two main categories of insurance. There's insurance for stuff and insurance for people. In this lesson, you're going to learn about insurance for stuff. And the good news is you already know something about this. Two common types of stuff insurance, also more commonly called property and casualty or P&C insurance, is auto insurance and homeowners insurance. So you may already have this kind of insurance, but why? Why have stuff insurance at all? Everyone says you need it, so you get it. Doesn't insurance seem like a waste sometimes? You're paying your hard-earned money for what? The truth is, insurance is a waste until it's not a waste. And here's what I mean. You get a bill a couple of times a year and reluctantly pay it. But what do you get? Probably nothing. Zilch, nada, zip, zero. So on one hand, you're paying for something and not getting anything in return. But the best part of insurance is the kind of insurance that you pay for and never need. Because when you actually use insurance, something bad has probably happened. Think about it. If you use your auto insurance, you've probably been involved in an accident of some sort. If you use your homeowner's insurance, it probably burnt to the ground or a tree has fallen on it. The only thing worse than paying for insurance and never needing it, is paying for insurance and actually needing it. But what are you really getting with this stuff insurance anyway? Again, property and casualty insurance. You pay a little bit called a premium to protect an expensive asset. So check this out. So this is really what property and casualty insurance is all about. You have an expensive asset, in this case it's a house, and the premium, that money that you send to the insurance company, represents a very small fraction of what the overall house costs. But that small premium payment pays for the entire house if something goes wrong. So quiz, which of the following would it make sense to have insurance for? Lawn chair? Is that really an expensive asset that you'd need to have insurance for? No. How about diamond ring? For sure. Makes sense. It's an expensive asset, would be hard to replace, so insurance would make sense. A house? Of course. A car? Absolutely. Taylor Swift CD collection? Probably not. So it only makes sense to have insurance on expensive assets, where it would be really expensive for you to replace it if something happened to it. It's really hard to make auto insurance exciting, so I'm really sorry about that, but it's just part of your wealth-ready journey. And the good news is, you never have to watch this horrible video again, which I'm sure you're happy about.